just love the area around Grizzly. It is beautiful. All the way down, one seat, buckle up your own belt first. Okay, somebody didn't do the all the way down thing. That's fine. That's that.
10 points. Right up there. Towing your belts. Towing your belts.
Okay.
Looks good down. Just put it up here.
There you go.
Set them both up there.
Oh, she only fits one. They made
Oh,
this
good
one.
idea, yeah.
Keep
Yep.
the shoes
I
dry.
feel like this used to be bigger. Like tiered.
No.
Nope.
Maybe brown.
No. I think
That's just to hold on to.
Yeah.
And also put your
Try to
feet
set
up
the
on.
other one up here. Keep it
That's a
off
bit
the
high.
floor.
Well,
Best you can.
Up there,
like that, yeah.
Why
But we can't all do it, unfortunately.
No, the one in
But
Florida has
these,
a bigger space with metal bars, and so it made it easier.
you could cover up these holes in the bottom so you know the geysers don't fly right through.
I think it's to prevent
But
it
it's
from
also,
flooding.
yeah, it also the drain.
If we keep spinning, that GoPro's gonna get all twisted when he watches later.
what?
He's got his camera on. We'll get the whole ride experience.
Well, I have to come back and get all the atmosphere, you know, because this is, I love this atmosphere is wonderful.
Oh,
Love it, love it. I love the waterfalls. I love all the rock work, and now that the trees have all grown in and
looks really
kind of
nice.
covered up a lot of the rock work,
Yeah, it
it
did.
still looks really nice.
Yes.
You know, this Grizzly Peak looked huge when the place first opened, but now the trees are all taller than it.
Yep.
So,
We were talking about that when we drove in off of Harbor. We couldn't
Right.
see the Matterhorn Mountain
The
anymore.
trees are too tall.
oh, wow.
I mean, this is like tradition forever that once you get right off the 5,
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah,
Now you
yeah.
can't.
Yep, yep.
Face. I hope on the backside so I get the most wet. So last time I don't wish that. I was the least scared last time.
Oh, wait.
I get scared of you.
I did not expect that.
Shots fired. First one.
It got me too.
Okay, I got wet.
It got me too.
We got it now.
You won't get wet ever again. It gets better.
I know.
Oh, look at that tiny. There, that's a tiny bird. What? You go up. You don't go down. You just go
Or leaky pipes. Everybody's guaranteed to get wet. It's okay. More pipes.
That's a cheap shot.
I know.
It's cold. Right through his glasses.
Goodness. Those are the glasses later.
I'm surprised mine aren't right here.
Alright, here you go. Waterfall.
Oh, this is a small one.
No, you don't know.
Yep. All of that work.
It's the clicking that gets you.
Yeah.
We got let off easy right there.
Yeah, just
Yay. Good rocket.
there it is.
Oh my.
My feet are wet.
Oh my.
You're so
Oh man.
Well, yes, it's gonna be wet.
Yeah.
My shoes are so.
Mine too. Oh well.
Look at like.
You'll be alright too.
Is this a big one?
I don't know.
It's one of them.
It's one of them.
That
That's nice.
Actually, wish that was a bigger splash. There was eyes in there. They were glowing. That's fun. So that's right. Is your favorite? That's my water. This is so fun.
This is so fun.
I saw the Wow.
Good spin.
Yeah.
I don't know if I walk after this one that falls. I have to stare at the wall.
This is practice for the teacups.
Wait, is it in this part or the other one?
The other one.
Just a little less. I forgot like every run.
That was a lot of spinning.
Yeah.
You'll be alright.
It's a big one.
Oh, a person.
Yeah. Gotta make sure you're staying seated.
Hi. Is this the big one?
Yeah.
Let's go. Looks like you guys are in the back. You guys get a little back. Okay.
Woo! Chip chop!
My hair got in my face.
Nice and wet.
I didn't even get
Now
wet
watch,
at all.
it's gonna be the cannons.
Watch, you're sitting in it, don't even know.
Yeah, probably.
That was fun.
We'll see how long
I will
the
do
line
this
is.
again tomorrow.
I love this one.
See? Mud pie.
I didn't even get a hint of water on me.
You're wet. I see the wet on it. What's that?
Let's do this again.
Do it again?
We'll see. Out here, is there another water run?
Hey, you know what? Now we're gonna be so cool the rest of the day.
No,
With the humid, we're gonna stay
not
wet.
this part.
You know what? The breeze is nice now.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I am very wet.
Give it 10 minutes.
I know.
This again.
Yes. I think I took it farther, okay?
Yeah, just wait.
That way. Go, go, go.
You want me to go first?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.